Hi everyone, I'm audible. In today class, we are going to discuss about order guide. Okay, so basically, order guide is used to order a multiple products within single order. The order guide is used to order a multiple products within single order. So we'll see the talks definition. Okay, order guide submits a single service catalog request that generates a several items. Order gate submits a single service catalog request that generates a several items. Okay. Here also they given some example you can see. For example, a new employee hire order gate can contains the several items that new employee commonly need, such as business card, computer, self. Okay. So when somebody joining newly into our organization, so they commonly require some business cards, computer, and cell phone. Okay. After selecting this order guide, the customer can then provide the information about that new employee, including location and job title. The order guide then submits the order for catalog items like business cards based upon the details provided. Okay. So I'm copying this example also. Okay. Yes. Going to follow this. So I'm keeping. Okay, next. I'm copying this URL. And you can come here. I'm going to write a navigation from here. Okay. So next one. Create an article. I'm also copying this URL. Next. Under service catalog. Under service catalog. We have catalog definitions. Under catalog definitions, we have order guide. So order guide table name is SC underscore cat underscore item underscore guide. GUID. Okay, this is the order guide table. So now I'm going to open the order guide table. You can type order guide here. Okay. Under service catalog, we have catalog definitions. Under catalog definitions, we have order guides. Okay. Yes. Order guides table name is S underscore cat underscore item underscore guide. So here we have two order guides are there. One is request developer project equipment and another one is new hire. So in the example, they have mentioned about new hire. Okay, I'm going to new hire. New hire order guide. You can see how order guide form looks like and how we are going to order the order guide. Okay. Wait, it's loading. So you can see this is the order guide form. Okay. And you can see in this order guide, almost we have 8 items. Standard standard laptop, developer laptop, standard 27 monitor, new email account, Apple iPhone 13, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G, corporate VPN, desk setup. Okay, these are the some common some common needs new employee required. Okay, yes. Now I'm trying it. You can see. Yes. So maybe hiring manager is an user, for example. So, okay, hiring manager user. He is the new employee is joining in IT. Okay, the new employee is joining in IT. Will this be a remote employee? No, this he is not remote employee. What office will they report to? What office they will report to? So here's some locations. Maybe the office which is in this location is going to report. Okay. Yes, these are the common way. These are the some common information required before generating a catalog items within this article. Okay. Next you can see. I'm going to choose options. I'm clicking on choose options. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost 5 catalog items are generated. Yes, he requests standard laptop. Yes, he requests standard laptop with Adobe Photoshop, maybe, for example. Okay, then next, I'm clicking on next. He also required standard 27 monitor. Next. He also requests some new email account. Maybe his name is Kavita. Gmail.com. This is some sample mail address they are giving. Next. He required corporate VPN. Then after he required desk setup. Almost we are submitting 5 catalog items within this article. Finally, I'm checking out. Okay, this is the final screen will appear in the platform view only. In the service portal view, this screen will not appear. Okay. Now I'm checking out. Seconds. We have successfully ordered the order. This is the request. Okay, this is the request. Guys, till now we have seen approvals only on requested item. Yes or no? Here you can see. Here you can see for the request itself, it's generated approval. You know why? Because because of the request approval will go if the ordered item cost is more than $1,000. Okay, approval go to the approval go to the request manager in the request level if the ordering products cost more than $1,000. More than $1,000. Okay. You can see this request workflow. Sometimes we will also use the request workflow also. Sometimes we will see the request workflow also in the catalog items. Okay, here you can see our items total value is $1,000, more than $1,100. So that's why it went. So you can see price. Okay, $1,000. So that's why it came here. Okay. Yes, then I'm approving it. So then I'm approving it. You can see how many items it generated. 5 items. Okay. So you can see these items for 1 minute. Yes. So it is generated 5 items. So from here, procedure is same. Maybe standard laptop contains some different workflow. Corporate VPN contains some different workflow. So every requested item contains the workflow. Okay. The only thing is ordering multiple items. The concept of order guide is ordering multiple items within the single service catalog request. Okay, got it, everyone. Now I'm going to create our custom order guide. Okay. Any queries here? Please let me know. I'm going to new. So I'm saying my first order guide. My first order guide. Okay, catalogs. I'm giving service catalog. Okay, category services. Okay. So name I'm copying same. I'm saving it. Okay, I'm saving it. Now you can come. I'm creating some variables for common information. I'm clicking on new button. Yes, what I'm saying. Wait, it's loading. So here I'm saying something like user. Okay. Yes. Order I'm giving 100. So type reference. Okay. Yes. So I'm going to type specification. Here I will give subscriber table. This is underscore. I'm submitting it. Next. Maybe I will also create a variable name. Again, reference variable. Okay. So I will say group. So I'm type special, I'm doing group. Okay, perfect. Order I'm going to submit. Next, I'm going to new variable. 300. Oh, wait. Reference. Oh, okay. I'm submitting it. Yes, till now I have created 3 items, 3 variables. Next, I'm going to take label variable. Okay. Please select label items to order. Please select below items to order. Okay, this is label. I'm saying 400. Next, begin button. Wait, it's checkbox. Order is 100. What I'm saying? Add group to user. I'm submitting. Next. Checkbox. No. Oh, from user. Okay. Yes. I'm also planning to create another variable is requested. Okay, for requested for I will give 50, maybe order. Type is reference. Underscore. Sorry. Now you can see I'm taking this to wicket window. You can see how the initial form looks like, right? So how the initial form looks like? Requester for user group role. Please select below items to order. Okay, 2 items I'm planning to order within this article. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes. Next. Next, I want to add catalog items to this article. Okay, where we can add within the root base. The root base. In interviews, they will ask one question: what is root base? Rule base is used to add catalog item. Order guys based on the condition, based on condition. Okay. Rule base is used to add catalog items to order guide based on condition. Okay. Yes. Rule base is used to add catalog items to order guide based on condition. Yes, I'm saying it. Now you can come to the rule base. You can click on rule base form here. Okay. Yes. Item I'm planning to include first item. Add group to user. If add group to user is true. Okay. I'm adding this item. Okay. Add group to user. Submit. Yes. We have successfully added one catalog item to this article. Okay. Yes, fine. Next. I'm going to add another catalog item to this article. Okay. Role from user is true. Then I'm attaching this catalog item. The role from user catalog. I'm submitting. Now you can see we have successfully attached two catalog items to this order guide. Okay, first of all, I will order this order guide. Yeah, almost I have completed. So, and I have to explain only this cascade variable definition and two-step definition. We will discuss. Now you can say, first of all, I'm ordering it. Maybe here I'm selecting NG user. The request for even in the user, I also selecting NG user. Okay, group. I'm selecting something like Servicenow administration group. Okay, maybe a role I'm selecting something underscore Ashok IT user role. Okay, I want these two catalog items. That's why I'm selecting these two checkboxes. Then you can click on choose options. Yes. First one is remove role from user. Guys, tell me so whether user variable or role variable is auto populated. Here, it is not auto populated. Yes, I'm filling something like user. So whatever the role I have given in the initial form, I'm selecting. Maybe this role is different from our initial form role. Okay, next group. Here also I'm selecting some user. Maybe some Servicenow testing. Okay. Yes. Then I'm fine clicking on checkout and it will give the thought screen. So if you want to edit the ordered items here, yes, you can. I'm finally checking out. This order gets submitted two catalog items. Okay. So you can see within this order get we have submitted two catalog items. This is a request. So you can see under this request, we have two requested items. Okay, got it, everyone. And remaining procedure is same from RATM analytics. Okay, so we have two separate workflows for each separate workflow for each RATM, and we'll follow the process. Any queries up to here?
Anji, we can generate multiple items in catalog item also, right?
No, by using catalog item, it's not possible to generate it.
While creating single request and generate one.
Yeah, it's not possible from catalog item. It is only possible from order item, like ordering multiple items within the single request. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So, and one more thing is by using script, we can able to generate multiple catalog items within the catalog item also. Even within the record producer also can able to generate multiple catalog items by using script. Okay. So we have an API called cart API. We have an API called cart API. By using that cart API, we can able to generate multiple items within the single service catalog also. It's okay. That is different concept cart API is. So like this, we will submit some multiple catalog items within single request. Now you can see here I am making cascade variable true. Here I'm making cascade variable true. Okay. Yes. And I'm saving it. You can see in the initial form we have created few variables, right? Like requested for user, group, role, SR. In the initial form we have created few variables or not? Yes, created few variables. And whatever the data we have provided to that initial form, if we want to pass those values to catalog items, we want to pass those initial form values to catalog items if the field, if the same variables we have, then it will automatically pass the information if you keep cascade variable true. Got it, everyone? So when you fill the initial form, when you fill the details on initial form, and if the same variable existing in the catalog items, then it will pass this initial form information to those catalog items. Okay, if we make cascade variable is true. Got it? The definition of cascade variable. Yes or no? I will show you. I will show you. I'm trying. I think I saved it when I'm saving it. I'm saying trying it. Okay. So maybe here I'm giving Anji user. So here also I'm calling Anji user. Group, maybe I'm saying Servicenow developer. So maybe here I'm giving Servicenow testing something like that. Okay. Servicenow testing. I want to catalog it. So can see we have successfully filled the described needs and initial form. Then you can see I'm going to choose options. What happened here? Tell me in the remove role from user catalog item. What happened here? The data is passed from initial form or not?
Yes.
Yes, the data is passed from initial form. Even you can see if the same variables existing in the initial form. Okay. So yes, in the initial form we have user variable in the role variable, and we made cascade variable too. That's why the data is passed from the initial form. Next you can see. Next I'm going to next tab. Add group to user. So here also you can see data is pre-populated from the initial form. Yes or no? We make cascade variable is true. Okay, got it? Yes or no? Please.
Can you repeat, Anji? I couldn't understand.
Okay. Then I'm closing this. Order guides are going to order guides. Okay. So my first order guide. You can see in the order guide form, I made cascade variable true. Okay. I made cascade variable true. So what is the meaning of cascade variable true? If we make cascade variable true for the order guide, okay, in the initial form of order guide or in the described needs, if you fill the any information, if the same variables available in the catalog items, if the same variables available in the catalog items, it will pass the information from described needs form to catalog item forms. Okay. Now again I'm trying it. So maybe I'm saying I'm user here. So here I also am saying so service department. Maybe here also I'm selecting service department. Okay. Now we can see I want these two items. So that's why I'm selecting here. And I'm clicking on choose options. The data is passed to this remove role from user catalog item and add group to user catalog item. Why? Because of these user group role variables already present in the described needs form. Okay, got it? Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can see, for example, again I'm planning to go for described needs. Again, I'm going to plan to go for described needs. And I'm trying to change it to some Ravi user. Okay. So this will not change the data in the catalog items. If you are modifying described needs after visiting the catalog items, మీరు catalog items ను విజిట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ described needs కి వచ్చి డేటా చేంజ్ చేస్తాను అవ్వాలి అంటే అవ్వదు. ఓకే, ఇన్ ద ఇనిషియల్ స్టెప్స్ ఓన్లీ the data will pass to the catalog items. Got it? For example, here you can see requested for and user, I change it to Ravi. You can choose options. The data will not change. Initially, whatever the information you passed in the described needs form, that information only will pass to catalog items. Again, if you go back and you change the data and you come here, it will not change. Got it, everyone? What is cascade variable?
Okay, Anji, can you come back to describe needs now?
Yeah, okay. Yes, I'll come back to described needs. Yes,
Yeah, but here data is not changed.
no, here you can see, no, we change it right from Anji to Ravi. Okay. Yeah, whenever first time we open this described needs and change in the name is Anji, maintain the name is Anji, and when to choose options, the data is passed successfully. Okay. Again, I'm going back and I'm trying to change the name, some name. Maybe this time I will use something like Star. Okay. So even you can say. So here we have only user variable. We can only think about user variable. Remaining, I'm not changing. Okay. Yes. Now you can see data will not change definitely because of again I went back to describe names. Got it?
If we
Okay, Anji.
refresh the page also, it will won't change.
If you are refreshing the page means again you are came to the initial form freshly. Okay. Or you are opening a new order guide, that means. Got it?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm closing this. Next you can see. You remember that 1 minute, guys. I'm getting noise somewhere. Yes. You remember that when we are ordering a item, order guide, at the whenever you click on checkout, we got one final screen saying that edit or delete. Yes or no? We have seen that window, right? When we check out, we got some data, some screen saying that edit delete. I will show you that screen again here. Maybe, I'm not giving that requested bar. Maybe I'm giving answer. Service administration. For example, this time I want only add group to user catalog item. Okay, I'm selecting only that one, for example. Okay, you can see data is first. Now I'm clicking on checkout. So you can see this is one extra screen, you can say. This is one extra screen, you can say. If you don't want this extra screen, you can keep two-step ordering is true. The two-step ordering is true. Okay. If you keep this two-step is true, that extra screen will not appear. Okay, this extra screen will not appear. Okay, got it, everyone? This shopping cart screen will not appear. We keep two-step is true. Now I'm closing this. Now again I'm trying it. You can see. I think I saved it. I'm trying it. You can see. This time it will not show that extra screen, shopping cart screen. Okay. User there are something. Service. Use options. Okay, the data is passed here. Yes. Now I'm clicking on checkout. Previously, what happens if we click on checkout? It will go to shopping cart page and it will show edit delete options there. Okay. Now it will not show. Why? Because of we made two-step is two. It directly ordering the item. Okay. Yes, you can see. There is no one extra screen here. Only two screens are available. Got it, everyone? So now I will note down the cascade variable definition. Then after two step. In interviews, they will ask these two definition. Going to this URL. Copy the definition. So cascade variable. Cascade variable checkbox to select whether the variable used to cascade, which passes their values to the ordered items. If the checkbox is clear, variable information entered in on the order guide is not passed on the ordered items. Okay. So I'm copying this definition. This cascade variable definition. Okay, next two-step. Two-step checkbox to enable two-step ordering instead of the default three-step ordering. Omitting the final step with a two-step ordering, select checkout. Submits the request immediately, then displays the order confirmation screen. And this is not applicable for the service portal. Okay. Two-step checkbox to enable ordering instead of the default three-step ordering. Omitting the final step to two-step ordering. Select checkout submits the selecting checkout submits the request immediately, then displays the order confirmation screen. Okay, and this is not applicable for service portal. Any queries from order guide? Any queries from order guide? Okay.
టూ స్టెప్ అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ చెక్అవుట్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనం ఎంత
Yeah.
చేసామో
Yes,
చూపిస్తుంది అంతే.
yes, yes. So if you don't want while checkout, if you don't want shopping cart screen like editing, deleting catalog items screen,
Yeah.
if you don't want that, we have to keep two-step true. Okay. And this is not applicable for service portal. Service portal, it will not applicable. Okay. Yes. Next, content item. Content item is used to display information instead of goods or service. Content item is used to display information to user instead of goods or services. Okay, I'm closing all the tabs here. Content item. So you can see top of the box location. A content item is a service catalog item that provides information instead of goods or services. That provides information instead of goods or services. So this is definition. Next. I'm copying this URL for our reference. Navigation is under service catalog. Catalog definition. Under catalog definition, we have content item. Okay. Content item. Content item table name is SC underscore cat underscore item underscore content. Okay, got it? Yes. Now we can go to the content item form, closing all the tabs. Content item. Okay. Yes. Going to content item here, we can check the table. SC underscore cat underscore item underscore content. I'm clicking on the button. Name. It's saying my first content item. Okay. Catalogs. Service catalog. This is. I want to show this under services. Okay. Perfect. Yes. Here you can see there are four types of content types we have. There are four types of content types. Okay, we'll note down those. Content types, four types. First one is knowledge article. Second one is external content. Third one is content, I think. Right. External content, caveat, catalog content and module. Okay. Catalog content. Fourth one is module. There are two types of targets. Okay. So you can say within catalog, new window or tab. Okay. thing. Catalog. Only this. Okay. Yes. First of all, I'm selecting KB article. Okay. Maybe I'm selecting KB. This I will show you from the service portal. That is good. I feel. Wait. Service portal. Yes, service portal. Wait, it's slowing. Under catalog. Browse by category. Services. Okay. Now you can see KB article I'm providing here. Maybe Microsoft Outlook issues. I'm saving it. Okay. I'm saving this content item. You can try it. It will show you the KB article we selected here. It will show you the KB article we selected. Yes or no? This is content item. You can say KB article type content item. Okay. Even if you go to the service portal, you can check for my first content item. You can see it will show you the knowledge article basically. Okay, perfect. Next, I'm going to next type of content item. Catalog content. Saying catalog content. Within this catalog, within this content item, it is asking some text. 1 minute. Wait. Sample text. Okay, I'm copying this one. Copy. I'm pasting here in the catalog content. Okay. Yes. I got some screens also, images also came. I don't want images. Okay, wait. Yeah. Wait. Yes, this information is copying it and pasting here. Okay, what are the content you want to display to user? Yes, you can saving it. Okay, this is catalog content. I'm trying it here. You can see it will show catalog content. Okay, yes. Even if you go to services, you can open my first content. Yes, okay. Next type. I'm giving external content. You have to provide some URL. For example, I'm planning to provide my parent table URL. Okay. I'm planning to redirect to this table, my parent table. Okay, I'm copying this. You can come here. You can provide external content URL. Yes, I'm providing this. And I'm saving it. Yeah. Okay, now you can see there is no try it button here generally. Okay, you have to go for the service portal itself. Services. My first content item. You can see what it is going there. Where it is going. It is going to that given URL or not.
Parent table.
Yeah. We have provided parent table URL and it is going. Next module. I'm providing module here. What module you will give? Maybe I will try to provide my parent table only.
Yeah.
Okay. My parent. Where you can see. My parents, right? My parents module. I'm giving here. Okay. I'm saving it. Yes, here module also I have provided my parent. When you click on my content item, it will go to that my parent module. Okay, got it? Everyone? Yes, these are the 4 types of contents. Any queries here, please let me know from the content item.
The KP article we have to select the given data.
Yeah, we have to select the KB article if it is a KB article type. Okay.
That means the articles which are present in the KPI only we
Yes,
can select.
exactly. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Next. Next thing. In interviews, they will ask one question. Is it possible to create workflow and custom table? I will write that question. Is it possible to create workflow and custom tables? Okay. Yes. Just answer is yes. Now I will show you. Now I will show you how to create it. Okay.
మామూలుగా అది మనకి మనం మామూలుగా కస్టమ్ టేబుల్స్ ఇలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా నుంచి
Yes.
కానీ అప్లికేషన్ మాడ్యూల్ క్రియేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్ గా వాడు ఫ్లో అడుగుతాడు.
Okay.
అంటే మామూలుగా స్కోప్డ్ అప్లికేషన్ క్రియేట్ చేసినప్పుడు దాంట్లో వాళ్ళ ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఫ్లో అడిగారు.
Is it?
Yeah.
I think it is a task-based table. That's why they asked. I feel. Okay. Now we can. Yes.
అది నేను మీరు ఆ రోజు ఇది ఓఎస్ చేయమన్నారు కదా.
Yes.
ఫస్ట్ నేను కస్టమ్ టేబుల్ తీసుకోకుండా మీన్ అప్లికేషన్ మాడ్యూల్ నుండి వెళ్ళాను చేయడానికి.
Okay.
అలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు దే ఆస్క్డ్ మీ టు క్రియేట్ ఏ ఫ్లో ఆన్ ఇట్ ఆల్సో.
Okay, we will check that. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you can say I'm creating workflow for a custom table. Maybe I'm going to create a workflow for our my parent table only. Okay. First of all, I'm deleting all this data. How many records actually? For my next example, I don't want data actually here. That's why I'm deleting. Okay. Yes, you can go. I'm closing all these tabs. Now I'm going to workflow editor. Okay. Workflow editor. Going to workflow editor. Under workflows, we have workflow editor. Okay. So here I'm saying show sorry. Wasn't it? So guys, creating custom workflow under my parent table, first of all. Okay. Wait. First of all, I'm going to UI actions. First of all, I'm going to UI actions. Under system definition, we have UI actions. From that, our related link is show workflow. Okay. So I'm opening the show workflow and change request table. I'm opening show workflow from the change request table. So here I will simply change that table name to my parent underscore my underscore parent. Okay. Yes, I'm simply changing the table name and I'm doing insert and stain. Don't save it. Okay, don't save it. You have to do insert and stain. That means that change request record will keep same and it is creating a new record on my parent table. Yes, on my parent table we have created show workflow related link. That's fine. Now we have to create some sample workflow on my parent table. Okay, I'm going to workflow editor. Going to workflow editor. Okay. Now I'm creating new workflow here on my parent table. Saying my parent workflow. Table name I'm giving my parent. Okay. Submit. Yes. We have created my parent table, my parent workflow. Yes, we have created my parent workflow, and we also created UI action on the my parent table. Okay, show workflow UI action on my parent table. Now we can come. I'm going to new record here, my parent new record here. I'm trying to submitting this data. What happening here? Tell me. Show workflow is not appearing. It may be. I'm commenting this. Wait. And this workflow I'm publishing my parent workflow. Okay. Published it. Now we can come and refresh here. Farming. Yes, we can farm. Then so maybe these conditions is not making our show workflow action. That's why I'm commenting this condition. I feel now definitely show workflow will appear. Okay. Refresh. Save. It is not appearing in the screen. I'm deleting it for example. So I kept farming to say now we can see when we remove conditions which is happening. When you click on show workflow, this workflow doesn't contains any context. Okay. Yes. Got it. How we created custom workflow on my parent table and how we are attaching workflow to our my parent table. Got it? Yes or no? You have to go for workflow editor and you have to create a workflow. Okay, and you
అంటే
have to
ఇక్కడ అంటే 2 ways లో క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చా వర్క్ ఫ్లో అనేది ఒకటి వర్క్ ఫ్లో ఎడిటర్ నుంచి అండ్ యూఐ యాక్షన్ నుంచి
no. From UI action, I'm not creating any workflow. Okay, so we want to see the current record workflow, right? Current record workflow transaction, current record workflow context. If you want to see, you request show workflow button, right? You request show workflow related link, right? So that's why I kept it is UI action. Otherwise, we don't require UI action. Okay, got it? Yes.
ఓకే
By using this show workflow UI action, we are just linking to that particular workflow. Okay. Yes.
ఓకే
Next. Maybe if they ask how, we will note down that one also. Yes. Yes. From workflow editor, you can create. Okay. And next, create show workflow related link on form to access workflow context. Okay, got it? Okay, got it, everyone? Yes. Saving it. I'm closing all the tables. Next, I'm going to some ng user for checking whether ng user has access to my parent table or not. Okay. Now I'm punctuate user. He has access. Okay. ng user has access. And then punctuation. If ng user have access, ability tutor also definitely have access. Okay. I'm thinking, so how I have to explain ACL examples, you easily understand. Wait. I'm going to send underscore user underscore. Okay. Next. Servicenow administration. I'm going to this group. I'm checking the roles. What are the roles we have? Servicenow admin, Durga IT user, ITL role. Okay, 2 members. Actually, ng user have this separate my parent role. Okay, my parent table role. That's why he is able to see. Now you can say I'm removing all the roles too from this ng user. I'm removing all these roles. Once go. Only Servicenow admin role will be right. Okay, perfect. I'm saving it. He has only Servicenow admin role. Okay, perfect. Now can we check whether this ng user has access to my parent table or not? I feel definitely he don't have access. Okay, to my parent table. ng user. Punctuate user. You can come and refresh. Then you need to know. Is this ng user has access to my parent table? Tell me, guys.
No.
No, definitely he don't have access. Now I'm planning to provide access to user, access to this ng user by using the ACL script. I'm going to elevated roles here. Something security is okay, perfect. Now can go to the ACLs. Go to my parent table. So I'm going to read ACL first of all. I'm going to read ACL. Okay. Scroll down, there is no, only my parent role is there. Now I'm going to ACL script. I'm clicking on advanced here. Then ACL script is opened. Okay. Here I am writing some script. Here I'm writing some script. Okay. So you can see. So my requirement is, so if the current logged in user from Servicenow admin group, if the current logged in user is from Servicenow administration group, I want to provide access to my parent table. Okay, I want to provide read access to my parent table. Got it? What I'm saying? Now ng user don't have access, right, to my parent table. Yes or no? Yes, he don't have access. Okay, he is a member of ServiceNow administration group. Now I want to provide access to Anji user. So you can see how I'm providing. I'm checking whether the current login user is from ServiceNow administration group or not. Okay. If gs dot get user dot is member of ServiceNow administration group. I'm checking. Okay. Wait, I'm copying this group name and I'm pasting in this ACL script. If he is a member from ServiceNow administration group, saying answer equal to true. Got it what I am saying here? Yes or no? If a current logged in user is member of this ServiceNow administration group, this my parent table read access will apply. Okay. Got it? Yes, I'm saving this ACL. Now we can go to the Anji user. I'm impensating to Anji user. Impensate it. Wait, it's loading. You can come here. If you are trying for my parent, so you can see there is no my parent here. But you can try to access my parent table. He is able to access. You underscore my underscore parent. Right? Yes. What happened? No, still
Hey.
second. Right. Still, it is getting security constraints prevent access to repositories. Okay, fine. I'm ending impensation and I will check why we are getting this issue and all. Again, I'm going to this elevated door. To edit this area. Okay, this is a read run ACL. Administration right. Role is my parent. Here I'm checking that this. Just start get users. Dot is member of service. Wait. So here I'm checking. I'm keeping some condition. GS star for inside ACL script. Okay, I'm checking inside ACL script. I'm saving it. Oh. Wait, you can refresh this one first of all. Yes. Now you can go to system log. Ah, no. Now I'm going to Anji user. I'm purchasing to Anji. Now I'm trying to access my parent table. Still, it doesn't get access. And what about log? Log also hidden access. Wait, still he is not able to access. I'm ending the implementation. Come on, refresh my log. It is not going to ACL script actually. Maybe we made some mistakes in ACL script. I'm going to invert it. You can come here. First of all, here I'm checking. Check. Also equal to. Also. Okay. CS. Check user. Okay. So outside if condition, at least outside if condition is printing or not, I'm checking. Okay. Now we can come and refresh here. Now I'm going to log. Yes, we are getting Anji check. User. Wait. Again, I'm going to ACL. I will keep what value we are getting here. Okay. So again, I'm refreshing my parent table. Where is our log? Some refreshing log. Yes, we are getting false, right? Perfect. Wait. Now I'm going to Anji user. Compensate user. I'm trying to access my parent table. Anji user. Okay. Now I will end implementation and I will check the log, what it is reported. You can come and refresh here. Is it recorded? Tell me, guys. Is it recorded? Yes, sir. It is not recorded. Right? When we impensate to Anji user, it is not recorded. So 1 minute. First of all, I will do one thing. I'm going to Anji user. Maybe I will directly give that role, that table role to Anji user. Okay. Edit. Save. Okay. Yes. Now I'm impensating to Anji user again. Double check. So if we have given role, he definitely able to access. Apart from that ACL script, I'm just checking whether the log statement is appearing or not. I'm going to enter compensation. Yes. Yes, we are getting here. You can see here in the log statements, we are getting fine that going to inside ACL script and all. Okay. Maybe wait. I will do another exam. I'm going to elevated role. Security and admin update. Maybe within the star ACL, I will try. Okay. So actually what happening is in the ACL script, we are checking whether the current logged in user is from administration group or not, Servicenow administration group or not. But we are not giving the access to that table. Yes or no? Am I right? Tell me, guys. Am I right? The
Yeah, we are checking the
just we are checking the condition whether the user is from Servicenow administration group or not. Okay. Then if he is from Servicenow administration group, I am saying yes. Okay, you can proceed and approve. Okay. But we are not providing access to Servicenow Anji user. Yes or no? That's why till now it is not executed. Now we can see what I will do. I will go to Servicenow developer. Okay, I will go to Servicenow developer. Who is the member of Servicenow developer? Ravi user. Okay. Here I'm providing another role, that my parent table role here. My underscore my parent role, my parent user, and saving it. Now tell me, yes, Ravi user also have access to my parent table or not? Ravi user, for example. Yes, Ravi user has access to my parent table. Do you think he is able to access the my parent table data? Yes. Tell me now. Now I'm going to Ravi user. You can see for Ravi user, it will not show the data. Bunchlet user. Ravi user not able to read the data from the table. Okay. Yes. Now we are in Ravi user. Now I'm refreshing my parent table. You can see what happened to Ravi user. Tell me, guys.
we are just giving the access to the table only, but we are not giving
Service,
access to
yeah, we
any-
are given yes, table access to Ravi user, but in the ACL script we are checking if the user is from Servicenow administration group. We are checking that condition. Okay, that's why data is not visible to Ravi user. Got it? Is my ACL script executing fine or not? Yes, it is executing fine. Everyone got it? What I did? So basically, first of all, I have given my parent table access to Servicenow administration group and Servicenow developer group. Okay, directly I provided this my parent role to administration group and development group. Yes, they are able to access the data, both the members from the both groups. Okay, then after what I did in the ACL script, I'm checking the condition if the current logged in user is from the Servicenow administration group or not. If the current logged in user is from Servicenow administration group, then only you can provide read access to that user. Okay. Yes, Anjay user is from Servicenow administration group. That's why he is able to see the data. Ravi user is not from Servicenow administration group. That's why he is not able to see the data. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? I'm removing this all alert messages here. Simple. This is some example Excel script. I'm popping it. Yes, yeah. Script example. Yes, any queries? Maybe import set scripting, I will explain you in the next class once we completed the integrations. Okay. Any queries here? I will take attendance first of all. Saving it. 2204. We have 4 minutes time. We have any queries, please?
ACL script clarity there.
You mean ASL script? You don't have clarity.
Yeah.
So again, I will explain one more time. Okay. I'm closing all the tabs except this one, this one. Okay. I'm closing log statement. I'm closing this one. I'm closing this one. Now you can see. we are in ServiceNow developer group. This ServiceNow developer group have access to my parent table or not? Tell me. ServiceNow developer group members have access to my parent table or not? Yes, they have access. Even ServiceNow administration group members will check. Yes, here we haven't provided. Now I'm providing. Wait, authorization. Wait, I'm ending the administration. Next.
ఇందాక కోడ్ యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు అంజీ వెళ్ళలేదండి, రాలేదు యాక్సెస్ నాకు అక్కడే.
Yes, wait. Now I am giving in the ServiceNow administration also, I'm giving my parent table. My parent. Okay. Yes. Now, this my parent table have access to both the group members or not? Tell me, Ramakrishna, first of all. Yes. This my parent table access to both the group members.
Both the group, we have the group.
In that group members, Anji user also there and Ravi user also there. Now what happening? This my parent table access only. My parent table read access only coming to Anji user, not coming to Ravi user. Why? Because of the ACL script. In the ACL script, we are checking the current logged in user is from ServiceNow administration group or not. Okay. Generally, Anji user is from ServiceNow administration group. That's why he is able to read the data from my parent table. Okay, Ravi is not from ServiceNow administration group. That's why he's not able to read the data from this my parent table. Got it?
In the scripting, we didn't mention about the only reading or writing.
No, in the scripting we haven't mentioned, but we are writing in the read ACL, right?
Okay.
Okay. Yes. If we write same script on the write ACL, then it will not apply write access to Ravi user. Okay, it will apply write access only to Anji user. If you are writing this script on write ACL. Okay. Got it? Yes, Ramakrishna. Is about
yeah, it's clarified. And ఇందాకంటే మనకి ఇందాక
no, so actually previously we haven't gone through example correctly. That's why you have confused a little bit. Okay, maybe you can watch the video again, so you will get to know what happened here. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for attending class on Saturday. Tomorrow we have holiday. Tomorrow is Sunday and we are taking holiday. Okay. And we'll connect on Monday with integrations concept. And I will try to explain this import set scripting also. Okay. This import set scripting. One or two examples I will explain with this import set scripting. Then after I will start with integrations. Okay. For integrations, it will take 3 days time. Okay.
Anji, integrations మనం real time example ఏమైనా చేయగలుగుతాం?
Yeah, we will do one real time example. I will show you by connecting ServiceNow to ServiceNow. Okay. If anybody bring the API details about other systems, maybe if you are working in an organization or if any of your friends are working with the different tools, okay, you can bring those API details. We will see in the class. Okay, otherwise I will explain ServiceNow to ServiceNow integration only. Okay. Okay, Ramakrishna. Yeah, maybe if your friend or maybe your known person is working on Salesforce, maybe you can try to ask for API and credentials and class name. Okay. If maybe your friend is working on Jira or maybe whatever the tool it is, not only
AWS.
Salesforce, Jira. Yeah, whatever it is, you can bring the API and I will show you in the class by connecting to that API. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you all. Thank you so much. So we'll meet you on Monday. Happy weekend. So please try to complete all real-time use cases I have provided, assignments I have provided in your pending time. Okay, in your free time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Yeah, same here.